Revolutionary and data center are seldom heard in the same breath. Can a data center ever really be revolutionary? Doesn't it depend on how the technology works, how it's managed, and what it's doing? Most people just want to know that their data center works, that their information is secure, and that it's redundant enough to withstand the unexpected. The data center at IX Web Hosting does all that, but there's a revolution going on here too. We set out to build our own data center, to build it for web hosting and web hosting only. Outsourcing or co-location are not options, and neither are they in the vocabulary of a revolutionary web host.
We've been operating our own data center facility since 2004. We own it, we operate it, and we design it to be the most green, energy efficient, and cutting-edge resource we possess. We built it in the heartland of America, Columbus, Ohio, and it's one of the largest private data centers in the region. We get access to top-notch, state-of-the-art technology, power, and fiber optic bandwidth here. We operate without the unnecessary overhead bigger cities create. We save and then pass those savings on to our customers. So what can you do with 11,000 square feet of dedicated server floor space? For starters, we fit at least 2.5 megawatts of power distribution and 720 tons of cooling into that 11,000 square feet. You can also fit, theoretically, 10,000 physical servers or over 1 million virtual servers in a space of that size.
This is not the place for quantity over quality. You can have the best quality server, virtual or physical, but if you try to cram it with as many customers as you can, your quality will go down rapidly.
Many hosts try to get away with stuffing anywhere from 500 to 1,000 customers onto one server that's only designed to house 200 or so. We didn't want to settle for either having a bunch of mediocre servers with a reasonable amount of customers, or having a few really amazing servers that eventually become overloaded with too many users. So we set out to do something unheard of. Not only did we purchase a bunch of top-of-the-line servers, but we provisioned them in a way that's just not done in the shared hosting world. And we did so with careful planning, not the trial and error you see with other load balancing systems other hosts claim to use. So today, before you even notice a problem, your server is already being adjusted for efficiency and optimal performance.
And the standard of our setup is unparalleled. You will not find an affordable host anywhere else on the planet with the same ability to scale, the same quality hardware, and the same highly expert level team of network and system administrators surrounding it 24/7, 365. We host a lot of businesses. Over time, their accounts grow. What's amazing is that these customers don't leave to find a host that can better suit their needs. They find a way to move up within our product line, and we don't make it difficult.
In the same facility that houses our shared hosting infrastructure, we also have our advanced services. Our premium bandwidth comes from the largest telecom hotel in the world in New York City, as well as the largest private data center in the world in Chicago, both connected to our Columbus data center with dedicated 10 gigabit connections. Our fiber optic connectivity isn't the only thing that's redundant about our data center.
Even the newest, most advanced server in the world is little more than a paperweight without power. And even though Ohio is thankfully free from any major recurring natural disasters, we've got our bases covered.
We designed our facility to have the integrity of an enterprise-grade Fortune 50 data center with redundant power feeds, active-active battery supplies, diverse power distribution, and on-site backup generator power. All of these measures ensure that our data center stays up and running. Additionally, we perform regular data backups to protect our customers against data loss in the event of failure.
In an unlikely place, we've built a data center that rivals the biggest and the best, because it modeled the biggest and the best. But then we did something else, something better. We reimagined the concept of the data center in order to apply it to web hosting, and that just changed the way things are done. Today, the biggest threat to our data center is us, our team, our decisions. The best data center in the world is useless if the wrong people are at the helm. Where one might find fear in that statement, we're energized. We have the right people managing our data center, people who care about security, integrity, redundancy, and scalability.